Welcome back to BikeBlasters, the go-to channel for all things motorcycles. Today we're looking at a true American classic, the 2025 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic. Known for its vintage styling and powerful performance, the Heritage Classic remains a favorite for riders who love a timeless look with modern comforts. Let's see what Harley has in store for 2025. Vintage design with modern flair. The 2025 Heritage Classic retains its signature nostalgic look, with nods to Harley's rich history. The bike features classic elements like the large front fender, spoked wheels, and leather saddlebags, but Harley has also given it some modern updates. This year's model comes with refreshed color schemes and chrome or blacked-out finishes to match your style preference. The combination of old-school charm and contemporary detailing makes the Heritage Classic a standout on the road. Milwaukee-Eight 114 power. Beneath its vintage appearance, the 2025 Heritage Classic is powered by the Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine. This powerful motor offers plenty of torque, delivering smooth acceleration and a strong pull at any speed. With 114 cubic inches of displacement, the bike is perfect for both long-distance cruising and city riding. The throaty rumble from the exhaust gives it that classic Harley sound we all love, enhancing the overall riding experience. Comfort for the long haul. One of the main attractions of the Heritage Classic is its comfort for long rides. The 2025 model continues to deliver in this regard with its plush seating and well-balanced suspension system. The bike's detachable windscreen allows you to easily switch between wind protection for highway rides or a stripped-down look for cruising through town. The full-size leather saddlebags are both practical and stylish, offering ample storage for weekend trips or daily commutes. Technology and features. While the Heritage Classic celebrates the past, it's not lacking in modern technology. It comes equipped with keyless ignition, cruise control, and Harley's RDRS Reflex defensive rider systems, which includes traction control and cornering ABS for added safety. The LED lighting system, including the signature Daymaker headlight, ensures you have clear visibility no matter the conditions, while also adding to the bike's sleek, modern look. Conclusion: classic style meets modern performance. The 2025 Harley Davidson Heritage Classic is the perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and cutting-edge engineering. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic charm or its comfortable ride, this bike is built for those who appreciate the classic cruiser experience with all the modern conveniences. It's a timeless Harley that's ready for the future. Thanks for watching BikeBlasters. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motorcycle reviews and insights. Ride safe.